As Narendra Modi's third term as the Prime Minister begins, he allocated the portfolios to the ministers in the Union Cabinet's meeting. Ministries have been allocated to the 71 ministers after Sunday's swearing-in ceremony. 30 cabinet ministers, 36 ministers of state, and 5 ministers of state with independent charge became a part of the administration. Some allotted portfolios are similar to the previous term, while new names and coalition members have also been added. Key ministries have been allocated to BJP leaders like Home Affairs to Amit Shah, Defence to Rajnath Singh, External Affairs to S. Jaishankar, Road Transport to Nitin Gadkari, and Finance to Nirmala Sitharaman. First-time MP and four-time Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has been made the Union Agriculture Minister. BJP President J.P. Nadda has been named Union Health Minister. TDP's Ram Mohan Naidu has become the Union Civil Aviation Minister. JDU leader Rajiv Ranjan Singh has become the Minister of Panchayati Raj and Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. Former Chief Minister of Karnataka, H D Kumaraswamy, has been named Minister of Heavy Industries and Minister of Steel. Manohar Lal Khattar is the Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs and Minister of Power. Piyush Goyal is the Minister of Commerce and Industry. Dharmendra Pradhan is the Minister of Education. Jitan Ram Manji is the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Sarbananda Sonowal is the Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Virendra Kumar is the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. On the other hand, Prahlad Joshi has been named the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution and Minister of New and Renewable Energy. Joel Oram has been named the Minister of Tribal Affairs. Giriraj Singh has been named the Minister of Textiles. Ashwini Vaishnav has got the portfolio of Minister of Railways, Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Minister of Electronics and Information Technology. Jyotiraditya M. Scindia is the Minister of Communications and Minister of Development of North Eastern Region. Bhupendra Yadav is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is the Minister of Culture and Minister of Tourism. Annapurna Devi is the Minister of Women and Child Development. Kiren Rijiju is the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Minister of Minority Affairs. Hardeep Singh Puri is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Mansukh Mandaviya is the Minister of Labour and Employment and Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports. G. Kishan Reddy is the Minister of Coal and Minister of Mines. Chirag Paswan has been named the Minister of Food Processing Industries and C.R. Patil has been named the Minister of Jal Shakti. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.